The National Electrical Code, or NEC, sets minimum standards for electrical safety. For a detached garage, several key requirements apply. Firstly, consider branch circuit protection. The NEC typically requires a 20 ampere circuit for general-purpose receptacles in a garage, according to Section 210.52b. This ensures that you have sufficient power for tools and other equipment without overloading the circuit. Secondly, the number of receptacles is important. Receptacles must be installed so that no point along the wall line is more than 6 feet, measured horizontally, from an outlet in that space. This generally translates to 1 receptacle per 12 linear feet of wall space as stated in Section 210.52c. This spacing helps to avoid the use of extension cords, which can be a safety hazard. Thirdly, GFCI protection is crucial. All 120-volt, 15 and 20 ampere receptacles installed in a garage must have ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI, protection as noted in Section 210.8b. GFCI protection helps to prevent electrical shocks by quickly cutting off power if a ground fault is detected. This is particularly important in garages where damp conditions or concrete floors can increase the risk of electric shock. Now let's talk about overhead door motor controls. While the specific electrical requirements for overhead door openers are not explicitly detailed in the provided text, it is essential to ensure that each overhead door has a manual latching device that permits access without the motor operating. This relates to Section 210.60. This is a safety feature that allows you to open the door manually in case of a power outage or motor failure. In addition to receptacles, permanent lighting is also required. A permanently installed lighting fixture must be provided in the garage according to Section 210.70. This ensures that there is adequate illumination for working or storage, no matter the time of day. The lighting should be controlled by a switch located near the entrance for convenience and safety. Finally, consider clear floor space. A minimum of 3 feet of clear floor space must be maintained in front of electrical panels and other electrical equipment, as stated in Section 110.26an. This provides safe access for maintenance and repairs. This space should be free from obstructions and should extend the width of the equipment. To summarize, the NEC minimum requirements for a detached garage include a 20 ampere circuit for general purpose receptacles, 1 receptacle per 12 linear feet of wall space, GFCI protection for all 120-volt, 15 and 20 ampere receptacles, a manual latching device for each overhead door, a permanently installed lighting fixture, and 3 feet of clear floor space in front of electrical equipment. Adhering to these requirements helps to ensure a safe and functional electrical system in your detached garage.